Hi guys, welcome to a new video here at SublimeTraders. I am Logicalorange and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin USDT and the trade idea for Ethereum Classic USDT. So without further ado, let's start looking into the Bitcoin chart and see what we can establish. First of all, we can see that we have established a double bottom just over the 200 EMA right here. We have had a clear rejection and we have increased about 3.7% since. Currently we are in a minor correction and we are in a trading range between the EMA 200 and the bottom part of the ascending channel, this one, which was broken on the 25th of August. And now, as I said, we are in this area, in this range. What can we expect right now? So basically, if the EMA 200 fails to hold, we can expect to go lower to the, we can even expect to go to the 9,200 level. And if we break the bottom part of the ascending channel, we can expect to go to the 12.3k level, or even to the bottom part of the channel, which is at 12.8k. Let's see if we can find a pattern repeating in this chart. What we can do to find a pattern in this chart right now is to find a double bottom or something similar that happened recently, and I already see similar patterns here and here, and they both of the times they ended up going up after small retraces. So let's take a look at this chart, at this pattern. Let's use the ghost feed tool and let's try to plot it right here and see how it can look if we overlay them. So yeah, basically it's a pretty good fit, and what this pattern tells us is that we can eventually break over the bottom part of the ascending channel. What this pattern doesn't tell us is, because it was blocked on the top part of the channel, is where it can go from here. Basically, if we established a closed candle over this area, if we established a closed candle over here, in this part, we can expect further uptrend until the middle of the channel, which is at 12.3k, 12.4k almost, and here we can expect further resistance. Until we get there, however, we have another resistance at about 11,750, which is correlated with multiple peaks we've had here. So here we have some resistance, here, also here. So it's correlated in multiple points, and this can be the first resistance until we reach the bottom of the channel. If we break this resistance, which is very possible with the correct volume, then we can expect to touch it or even break the bottom part of the ascending channel. Moving on to Ethereum Classic, we can see that we are currently trading in a range, and we have just closed our first daily candle over the EMA 200 in this range in the last 4 days. So right now we can establish an idea that we can trade Ethereum Classic with a potential stop loss. Let's insert a position, so long position with a potential stop loss at about this level, which is the previous low we have had on the 27th of August, an entry point at about this level. Let's insert a range, because we should have a range for our entries. So an entry about this level, and the potential take profit at about this level, which is 8. Let's at 8. So trading like this would mean we have a 2.81 risk reward ratio. What about the take profits? So we have our first point of confluence right here, about this level, which is the first resistance level we can see. So this would be the first take profit. The second take profit would be about this level, which also correlates with multiple resistances over the history of the chart. And the last take profit would be at the peak of our graph right here. It would mean a total of 20%. However, this the price action for ETC can even go higher to levels like 8.5 or 9.7 dollars per ETC. This, however, must be accompanied with high trading volume. Right now it's not the case. Right now we are currently in a descending pattern of volume, so we are seeing less and less volume. However, when you see less and less volume, you need to imagine like a sort of spring that you compress, and if you compress it to its maximum, it is going to break at one given point. So the breaking point is the release of high volume into the market. With the release of high volume into the market, we can touch take profits like 9.7, which is currently a high resistance. I personally don't see the price going higher for now, unless the Bitcoin breaks the resistances we have talked about in the beginning of the video. This is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you found any value in our video, please leave a like. And if you want to know more about SublimeTraders, join us on our Telegram. Thank you and happy trading.